Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this adjustable ND filter that was sent out to me to review. Now this is a 67mm ND filter. Some of you may need to use either a step up or step down ring in order to use this, but I use that quite often with a lot of my different cameras, so that's nothing odd. Now if you do have a lens that supports 67mm, it's going to be ideal. Now, this is the package that you receive when you open the box. We'll come back to that. It also comes with kind of a cheat sheet card that kind of helps you figure out exactly what ND strength you're going to need. So you have between 1 and 9 stops for this ND filter, which is pretty cool that they provide this in the box. Let's take a look at the actual ND filter itself. So as you guys can see here, very well safely packaged. Let's pop this guy open. All right, so this is a variable ND filter, and you have this little handle here on the side that's going to allow you to adjust the ND. There are markings here on the side, as you guys can see, from max all the way to minimum. Also here, you'll see some other information about the ND filter, the size, which is 67mm. The branding looks really nice. Let me see if I can show you guys this. Let me actually attach this to something that is truly 67mm so we can get an idea. So I have this iPhone adapter here, and we're just going to screw this in. Now this is threaded. All right, there we go. All right, so you guys can see right now it's very dark. You can't see anything through it, but as we adjust it, now you should start to be able to see through the ND filter, and that's basically how it works. So when this is attached to your phone, let's get a phone here and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so we're going to attach this little MagSafe mount to the ND filter, and we're going to open our phone app. All right, so as you guys can see now, we have complete clear video showing up here on the phone app. Let's switch this over to the video mode. Pretty much the same, but then we have that little dial on here that we can adjust. So let's take a closer look at this using Final Cut Camera, and we can go into Final Cut Camera and we can adjust our settings. So we can click here and we can go in and adjust, say for instance, the exposure. So if you wanted this to be completely manual, you could set the shutter speed. In this situation, let's say 48 would be the shutter speed I'm looking for, because I want to be able to record in 24 frames a second. So let's just go over here to our frames per second. We're going to choose 24 as my frames per second. And now you guys can see we get a really nice high quality image here. We have the ability here to adjust the amount of light that's coming into the sensor. So this is going to be a very powerful tool for a lot of you guys out there. And as you see, it fits perfectly onto this little mount on an iPhone. It's going to be exactly the same if you're mounting this on a camera. As I said, depending on the type of lens you have, you may have to use either a step up or step down ring in order to get the perfect fit. But once you have that, this is going to be a no-brainer. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys this really cool adjustable ND filter.